Ate, anak?
Anak, halika! Usap tayo! Ay, congratulations, boy!
Dad, do I look like boy?
Oh, yeah, right. That is your brother, huh? Anyways, I've been wanting to ask you, what are your plans for the summer?
I don't know. Probably just gonna hang out. Why? Are we going to Vegas again or what?
No, that's for me and your daddy. But anyway, we have a plane ticket for you. We're heading to the Philippines for the summer.
What? But I just remembered. You know what? I had plans over the summer. I was supposed to go with my friend Steve, and we're gonna work. Yeah, we're gonna work. Yeah.
Plans?
Yeah.
I thought you did not have any plans. Stop lying, okay?
We are going to stay with your daddy's classmate. Do you remember him? I don't remember him. Well, he's your Uncle Doc.
Wait. So, you want me to go to the Philippines because you want me to find a wife, right? Because they're really hot.
That is where I met your mother.
Okay. Yeah. Come on.
Steve, you have no taste. You do not know anything about your culture. You have not embraced it. I saw you earlier with your friends in the living room. They were asking you questions and you didn't know what to say.
What do you mean? When they came in, I made them take their shoes off. That's cultural. That's cultural.
That is very shameful.
But don't you guys love me? Come on.
Ay, honey, we love you, but we do not love the way you are.
Okay, well, when do I leave, I guess?
You're leaving this weekend. And remember, do not drink any of the ice or eat any of the water. Just be sorry.
We'll see you tomorrow when we show up to Bogotá. Remember, Arte, it's always good to get in touch with your roots.
Yeah, whatever.